Okay, so in this session, we will learn how to create virtual machines in XenServer using XenCenter. Okay,
Okay.
so just a quick remind, earlier what we did, we have created delivery controller and we have installed all the core components in delivery controller.
Okay.
Then we have installed a hypervisor, that is XenServer 01. Then we have created a site in our delivery controller. After that, we have installed Citrix XenCenter application in Windows 10 client PC. Got it?
Got it.
And we have connect that XenCenter application to our hypervisor, that is XenServer 01. And we have created one ISO library in XenServer 01. Correct?
Correct.
So let me open XenCenter now. So basically, XenCenter, it is just a tool. It is a GUI tool to manage XenServer. Correct?
Correct.
Okay, so let's wait for it. So do you want me to maximize the screen or is it visible to you properly?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay. Okay, so here it is, and our XenCenter is connecting to our XenServer, that is 10.50 IP address. Let's wait for it to synchronize. So it is synchronized now. Let me close that pop-up. Let me maximize it. And now, as I told you earlier, this is our XenServer 01. And we are going to create a virtual machine in XenServer 01 using XenCenter GUI application. Got it?
Got it.
So to create a virtual machine, it is very simple. You just have to right click on XenServer 01. Okay. Or you can also click here on the VM and on the new VM. And now it is asking for a operating system, that which operating system we are going to install. So far, we are installing Windows Server 2019. So I'm selecting this. Next. Now, it is asking for a virtual machine name. So let me name it server -2019 base or master image. We are going to create it as an base or a master image. Got it?
Okay.
So click on next. If you want to enter some description like which applications or whatever the utilities you are going to install in this master image, you can mention in the description as well. Okay. So click on next. Now it is asking for installation media. So we are not going to use DVD drive. We have already created a ISO share. So from that ISO library, as you can see, we have already copied server 2019 ISO media over there, and we are going to select it. Okay.
Okay.
Now click on next. Now, as we have allocated only 8 GB of RAM to our XenServer 01, out of which 6.2 GB of RAM is available. So that is fine to install Windows Server 2019. So click on next. Now it is asking for number of vCPU, that means virtual CPU. So 2 is fine. Memory is 2 GB, which is fine. For testing purpose, click on next. Now it is asking for virtual disk, so that is fine, 32 GB, which is hosted on our XenServer 01. So far, we do not have any NAS or network storage. Okay, so we are going to deploy this virtual machine on local storage only, which is allocated to XenServer 01. Okay, so click on next. This is our NIC card, that is fine. Next, this is a summary, and we have checked this box. That means after creation of virtual machine, it will automatically get powered on. Okay, so just click on create now. And here on the left side, you can see creating VM server, whatever the name from the template that we have selected. Now it is creating disk and virtual machine is created now. Now it's booting the virtual machine. So let me select here and onto the console. In that console, you will be able to see what is going on. Okay. So let's wait for it to initialize. So as you can see, Windows files are getting loaded. So let me unlock this for proper visibility. So basically, we are creating this virtual machine in our hypervisor, not in XenCenter. XenCenter is just a utility to connect hypervisor. Got it?
Got it. Okay.
Okay. So it is a common operating system installation. Process is similar. It will take a while, so we have to wait. Okay.
Okay.
So how things are going on from your end? Like, have you planned to go to your job location?
Yes, I am planning. Maybe in the next week, I will move.
Okay. And what about your that relieving part that you are facing issues with your current organization, like you have to visit there and whatever the issues you are facing?
Actually, I have to because right now almost 6 months I am here in India, so I have to finish some jobs over there, pending works.
Mhm.
Not that much, but I have to finish, and I am planning to come back as the list.
Okay. And how long you was with your current organization? Means you
8 years.
8 years
Yes.
in that Oman, correct?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So now why means after 8 year means you have started your career as a desktop support engineer or means what?
I supported as working as a IT assistant in the initial stage, and after that, did as a system admin.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so we have got a prompt. So language, input, time and currency, that is fine. Click on next. Again, install now. We are going to deploy with desktop experience, standard edition, that is fine. Click on next. I accept, click on next, then advanced, that is our hard drive that we have allocated to that virtual machine. Just create a partition. And click on next. So again, it will take a while, might be up to 20 minutes. So we have to wait only, nothing else. So this is a common process like through which you can install any operating system, and installing operating system is not a big task, correct?
Correct.
Okay. But after installation, when we will create the master images and to take snapshot of those master images and to deploy a new virtual machine from the master images, that is a good stuff, and that you have to learn how to do that. Okay.
Okay.
So this is a one-time installation. Like after that, we are not going to install any operating system. If required, we will continue with Windows 10 or any other desktop operating system. But process is similar. I will show you how to create a snapshot from master images and how to create a new virtual machine from those snapshots that we have created. Got it?
Got it.
So what is your planning after that? Like means you are going there for some specific time period, or you will have to return
Dear,
after?
actually, my notice period is 3 months, but that I can reduce to 45 days or 1 month.
Mm-hmm.
If you can help me in this case, I will try to come as the earliest.
I will help you for sure, and I will schedule. But I want one thing from you. I need uh, from you that you must have to set up a test lab in at your home place only, because uh, this is an R&D part that I'm doing on regular basis. Means it's up to me, like I can destroy or I can recreate the entire infra as per the requirement, or as per the online session that I'm getting, because of limited hardware stuff. So if you can manage that thing, just to create that laboratory test lab at your home, okay, and it
Okay.
will be fine for you, because you can do one thing. That doesn't matter where you are going, in Oman or any other location. You can do one thing. You can set up a test lab at your home. You can open one remote console and you can access it from anywhere. Correct?
Correct, correct. But right now, I don't have any hardware, dear.
I told you, no, I'm having one. I have sent you the configuration as well. If you want, just let me know. I will arrange it for you at very cheaper price. So that is not a problem. I will courier you. That is not a concern. Or I will ask my vendor to send it to you.
Is it available in Flipkart or this Amazon?
On Flipkart, it is very, very costly.
Okay.
Okay, so if you want to go with Flipkart, it will charge you somewhere around, 90,000 plus, or somewhere around 1 lakh. Even I'm not sure. So, a test lab is mandatory. The reason is that it is good for your practice purpose as well. And, can also learn the trending topics, or, trending IT technologies. Okay.
Okay. But that is fine. But if I'm going remote, I'm using hotspot right now, mobile hotspot.
That is not required. You can procure a dongle, na, that Geo dongle, if you don't have any broadband at your home.
Okay.
Just connect that dongle to that hardware that I'm doing right now. Okay, so that is not a concern. But if you can arrange, that will be better for you.
Okay. That I have to arrange actually, but from once I went to Moscow, it is very difficult to access from here.
Why?
Here, no one will be available if the connection is gone or something. So better I will come back and I will buy it.
No, that is also fine, not an issue. So
If I
you
am
are staying alone in India?
loan.
Then why no one is there?
No. My mother is here.
Mhm.
No, other guys are not here. So I don't want to disturb my mother on power off. Then each and every time rain is coming now, so too much that
Okay.
in the last time due to heavy rain, my TV, some electronics appliance got crashed due to high electricity.
Okay.
So once I am back from Muscat, I can buy it because I will be here only.
Sure, sure. That is not an issue. But please keep continue to your practice. That is most important. Okay.
Okay. I will buy from you only.
That is not a problem. It's up to you actually. So
Okay.
it is 50% now. Okay. So let me. Okay. After that OS installation, we have to change the host name of that machine. Okay. And we have to join that machine into our domain controller. Got it?
Got it.
And after that, we have to install one virtual delivery agent in that virtual machine. And after installing that virtual delivery agent, we will be able to take snapshots of that virtual machine. Okay.
Okay.
So for sure it will take time, and I have to go office, so that is not a big deal. And rest stuff
You are
you
going
can
every
manage,
day now?
na? Sorry.
You are going every day now?
Last week I was on leave for an entire week, so not every day, but sometime it is required.
You told me till 2025 it is work at home procedure.
Yes, but I told you, na, I'm right now I'm in-law, and I'm staying alone here. So what I will do at my room? So I will get some resources over there to make some good practice. That is the reason. Okay, so it is almost 71% now, and so have you got idea what we are exactly doing now and why we
Yes.
are doing this?
Yes.
Explain.
We are creating a virtual machine in XenServer with the
Uh-huh.
help of that client.
XenCenter, correct?
Correct.
Mm-hmm. And why we are doing this?
This is for same procedure like the users can access the desktop. Means if they need, we can upload this Windows 10 ISO and users can access by like operating system. Second thing, this is the base image. We can create a more number of virtual machines from this image, from these virtual machines.
Okay. And from where the users will get access to their virtual machines means?
Citrix workspace, or in client machine, we need to install Citrix workspace or Citrix receiver.
No, I'm asking for the location of the virtual machine.
From XenServer.
Means from hypervisor, correct? Not any physical machine. Got it?
Got it.
And I have also explained you the core components of Citrix, correct? So
Correct.
you remember or forgot?
No, it
What?
is delivery controller.
Mm-hmm.
In while installing delivery controller, all the core components getting installed.
What are the core components I'm asking?
It is one is Citrix Studio.
Mm-hmm.
One is delivery controller.
Mm-hmm. Citrix director, Citrix license server, storefront. You forgot all those terms?
Citrix delivery controller and Citrix Studio,
Mm-hmm.
Citrix director and Citrix license server. Correct.
Mm-hmm.
This is the four components. Correct.
Correct.
In Citrix Studio only we are creating the new site. Correct.
Correct. We have already created it.
Yes. Dear, this link, can you please share me that last section, something we recorded already. No?
Correct. I will share you. Okay, so it is almost done now. Now it will ask to set up the credentials after that. Is it locked? Yes. Okay. Okay, buddy. So now it is asking for the credentials to set up. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm entering that simple password only. So now it is done. Actually, after that, we just have to log in into that virtual machine. Got it?
Got it.
And what is your task to perform? Your task is to join that virtual machine into the domain, okay, and
Okay.
to install few basic applications in that virtual machine like Microsoft Office, Adobe Reader, and WinRAR, any application, okay.
Okay.
Just install few of application in that virtual machine, and after that you have to install that virtual delivery agent client in that virtual machine. So we will cover, or I will cover virtual delivery agent installation together, but before that you have to keep ready this virtual machine with into the domain and with few application installed. Got it? And we will connect in the evening. Okay.
Okay. How I can access this?
Any doubt in that?
No. How I can access this system?
I will open any desk for you right now. Okay.
But what about this client machine? Should be, what is the client name?
This are you asking for the domain name of this virtual machine?
No, we need to change the client computer name, correct?
Correct. So just please do enter the computer name. It's SVR hyphen 2019 hyphen master or base, same that I have entered. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Please do that and we will connect soon. Okay.
Domain name is techamtech.com, correct?
Yeah. Domain name is techamtech.com and credential is your credential, that is Dipin, and password 123 QW comma dot slash. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So just complete that stuff before 7 o'clock in the evening, and we will connect in the night. Okay.
Okay. What about that link when you will share to me?
I will check and I will send it to you. Okay.
Okay. Is it already uploaded to YouTube or still waiting?
No, editing not has been done actually, so I didn't upload it actually.
Okay. Can you please upload to WeTransfer and forward it to me? I will.
I will do that. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, buddy. Have a nice day.
Okay.
Please do complete that stuff. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And in a meantime, you already have that AnyDex console with you. Please connect. Okay.
But you have opened that connection or still?
No, I've already gave you the AnyDex connections. You don't have?
But it is off. It is showing off actually.
Okay, because this machine is not connected to internet right now. I'm just connecting it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, buddy. Please
Okay.
try to connect and let me know if any issue is there.
Okay.
Okay.
Evening we will connect, correct?
Yeah, in the evening we will connect. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.